Our story is that we discovered a leak in our roof, and we were very concerned about it. We called a couple of different roofing companies and asked for them to come out and give us quotes. Some of them couldn't even get out within a reasonable period of time to give us a quote, which was very troublesome to us. Guardian Roofing came out. Andrew got up on the roof. He took a bunch of pictures, and then he sat down in a conference room with us and showed us the pictures and explained where the leak was and what the problems with our roof were. Then we got to the contract phase, because Guardian Roofing gave us a better quote than we were getting from other companies. And we were happy with the contract terms and how clear and easy it was to read the terms of the contract. And they included tax in the dollar amount, so we knew exactly what we would be paying, as opposed to a lot of companies where they just say plus tax. When it came to installation, the people that worked on our roof could not have worked harder. They were polite and respectful, and they worked very, very hard in, honestly, weather conditions that were extremely warm. They cleaned up after themselves, they answered our questions, and I felt really good about them and about the whole process and about the product. So I recommend Guardian Roofing for your next roofing project.